Welcome, arm wrestlers. I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News, and I have a couple of interesting news updates for you in this video. These are the results from Istanbul Arm Wrestling Tournament 2.0 that happened in Istanbul earlier this week. As I was making my breakdown video of those matches, Coach Ray and Yanis uploaded a full 30-minute breakdown of those matches, and that was a better explanation than what I can imagine to do right now. So I dropped the idea, and there wasn't much going on in the arm wrestling world for past 5 days, hence no videos on my channel. I said that we can expect a better footage this time from Hardline Nutrition, and my assumption was based on the looks of their YouTube channel. All of their videos look professionally edited, but it turns out that I was wrong and the live stream was worse than Derek Smith's live stream from the March tournament. Later on, Engin explained that this was because the higher quality videos were reserved for TV. It is amazing to see that even in such times, Engin was able to organize two major arm wrestling tournaments in 2 months, and both of them were won by Bozidar from Bulgaria. So Bozidar has recently established a very dominant position in the arm wrestling world. I mean, he could have been doing this before also, but the association with Engin's name gave him much more exposure to the other parts of the world. Besides the tournament, there was one left-handed super match between Bozidar and current 75 kg WAF champion Mazgan Shamiev from Kazakhstan. Despite having competed in the tournament minutes before this match, Bozidar still won the super match 5-0 in a dominant fashion. If you remember, Mazgan Shamiev was set to pull Tony Kitowski from US in June in the Kazakhs versus the rest of the world tournament. Engin confirmed from his sources that this tournament is cancelled, so he is proposing a few more East versus West super matches on June 12th along with the Matt Mask versus Hermes Gasparini match. But in order to be able to do that, he needs money, and during this time when most of the businesses are not making any profit, it is very hard to find sponsors. So with the help of Herman Stevens, Engin has set up a GoFundMe page. And these are the proposed matches. Todd Hutchings versus Hadzimurat Zoloev rematch. Bozidar versus Tony Kitowski left and right-handed at 83 kilos. Mike Aiello versus Arif. Herman Stevens versus someone named Echo Foxtrot Echo. I don't know who this guy is. Todd Hutchings, Bozidar and Tony have already agreed for the match. But Engin said that these athletes won't compete unless there is a good amount of money involved, especially Todd and Zoloev. That is why I think the target was increased from $11,000 to $20,000. I think it was $11,000 earlier. I may be dreaming. I have a lot of dreams about arm wrestling. This could be one of them. Anyways, they have raised $1,700 so far. So if you want to donate some money, link will be in the description. Next up in the news, we have Levan Saginashvili. Levan said that he wants to be the first arm wrestler to bench 300 kilos. I think by arm wrestler, he meant high-level arm wrestlers who compete and win tournaments. Because Larry Wheels and Kirill Sarkayev are both decent at arm wrestling and can beat almost 90% of the amateur arm wrestlers. They both have benched over 300 kilos. Besides them, Michael Todd and Jerry Cadret both are known for having a very good bench, but definitely not in the 300 kilos range. Let's see if Levan can achieve that in the next couple of years. So Michael Todd made a post on his channel asking for questions that we want to ask Levan. My question was simple. Ask Levan if he thinks Michael has a chance against him. To this question, Levan replied that yes, Michael has a very good chance of beating him right now, whether it was just out of respect and he doesn't want Michael to be upset, or he genuinely believes that. We cannot say for sure, but Michael and the rest of the world surely believes that due to his unorthodox style, Michael certainly has a chance against Levan.
Oh, thank you. That's my.
Do you think Michael has any chance whatsoever against you?
Yes,
August var öğrenme şansı.
Ha?
August var öğrenme şansı şansını aldık.
Rahat olmam. İyi şansı. Rahat olmam.
Of course he has, and the chance is big.
Woo! All right. Hey, whoever posed that question, you're the man. That was an awesome question.
Thank you, Michael, for this anonymous mention. If you like the videos I make, the information I provide, consider supporting me on Patreon and YouTube. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep, and I thank you so much for watching.